morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, February 22nd, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Here's our Cardinals Ambassador Matthew to announce our friendly Falcon.
Today's friendly Falcon is James Knight from Mrs. Winfrey's class. James was nominated by Mrs. Searles. She said that James is a fabulous student and a talented artist. He is kind to his peers and always willing to help a friend in need. Congratulations, James. Thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
This week is Indian Creek Read Around the World. We are celebrating our similarities, differences, and cultures throughout literature. This is also some cool music to listen to from various cultures. Let's make this a great week of reading.
February is Black History Month. Today we will be honoring Ruby Bridges. Ruby Bridges was born on September 8, 1954 in Tylertown, Mississippi. When she was just 6 years old, she became the first African American student to integrate a southern elementary school. Every day she was met with angry crowds who shouted ugly words. She graduated from a
Desegregated high school and went on to write about her experiences in 2 books. And in 1999 established the Ruby Bridges Foundations to promote tolerance and create changes in education. Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton it will be sunny with a high of 64 and a low of 41. Did everyone enjoy the snow?
Yes.
Yes. Now, today in history, in 1866, Lucy Hawkes became the first woman in the world to graduate from a dental college.
Cool.
Today is National Cook a Sweet Potato Day. This celebrates a root vegetable packed with flavor and a bit of history too.
Yum.
In the headlines, D-Day Hero's lost postcard is finally delivered to his family 77 years after being sent. In 1943, a Royal Navy member named Bill Caldwell wrote a postcard to his Uncle Fred, but it never arrived. After 77 years and 7 months later, the same postcard arrived at the Liverpool doorstep of his family.
Cool.
Today's fun fact is one man once survived 2 atomic bombs.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Kayla, what is a bunny without a carrot?
I don't know.
Hungry.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Caleb.
And I'm Alexis.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum.